The only thing I'm seeing I'd like to put an amend on, perhaps a little more room here for the fixins. You know what I'm talking about?
Ooh, we're gonna have a lot of fixins?
We're gonna have so many fucking fixins up in this motherfucker. This shit's gonna go through the roof, man. Oh. God damn, I'm shitting gold these days.
Squad. Gang. Nigga, we made it out here getting faded. I'm spitting the truth. Nigga, you faking the shit you be saying don't carry no truth. I might go to Vegas, get that bitch naked and race in the coupe. She jumped in my spaceship, she fell with a mirror, she don't know the door. Man, fuck these niggas with an A's dick. Fuck nigga. Getting bucks on these niggas getting paid quick. I love it like August, I love it. My team getting loose, I love it. Your bitch got abducted, I touched and I fucked it, then chucked up the door. Abducted, she loving the crew. She loving on you. Me, I just fuck her, then pass to my brother, that train always shoot. Nigga, we made it. Nigga, we faded. I'd rather be rich. You can be famous, yeah. Ain't talking no me, go weight like a kilo, I'm mighty like Bruce. My mind is so evil, when I'm off this weed smoke, I swear I get spooked. Who is that nigga? I don't know that nigga. Who is that bitch? I don't know that bitch. Hold on, let me call you back quick. Let me get back on my shit. Grab the whole O unzip. Rolled a couple up and got lit. Damn, I can't trust no bitch. No, only day ones in my clique. Beat the beat till it dismiss. Then let it back loose with the whole clip. Bang. Summer Miami, I was with the family, I saw the whole crew. Pull hoes like a hammy, damn, I feel so slamming, I cram the whole goose. Bottles to the face, a lot of bottles in the place. Watch cost me a plate, all that white toothpaste. Living on the road, chasing all the dough. I would never trust the hoes. Tonight I'ma sit this slow. I'ma sit this slow. Out here getting to the goal. Why they hating, I don't know.
Kinda makes me wonder why the hell so many people are trying to tell me to slow down. Seems like motherfuckers should be shutting the hell up and enjoying the show.